Hi friends, so today I'm trying to make kebab, a Persian kebab with my air fryer. I purchased this new and I want to see how it's going to turn out. So let's see. I think I need to flip one of them over. This is my first try, so the tomatoes still need to be cooked more. I'm gonna show you more when it's put in a plate. I also made my rice, which is basmati rice in my rice cooker. Okay, turned out to be very good. Yeah. Looks very good. Okay. Yep. That looks very good. And I'm gonna put the kebab on the side. I will show you. Okay, the food is ready. I know it looks a little bit brown on the top because it's crispy. So the reason I like the air fryer because it cooks the inside and makes the crispy outside, and you don't use oil. So that's why I like it. So I like to have this with Shirazi salad, which is cucumber, tomato, onion, some parsley, and a little bit of jalapeno, and lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and salt and olive oil. I hope you make it and you like it. That was my review for air fryer.